What up, y'all? It's CeneciaNyree, and I'm back with another video. Alright, you guys, so yes, I am doing a seafood mukbang. Woo! Yes, I'm super excited. I got my crab, I got my corn, I got my eggs, I got my potatoes, my shrimp. Yes, I just posted a video on how I made this, so look for it. And I even made some scallops that I was gonna try. But yes, and also I have the smackalicious sauce. Yes, and it's right here. Look at that, you guys. Yes. So the first thing I'm going to try is the scallop because I never tried scallops before. And she said that she loves them, so I'm like, why not try them? So the first thing I'm gonna try with the sauce. It's my first time ever trying this sauce, you guys. I am really nervous. Wow. Scallops aren't that bad. I actually like them. Next is the shrimp. Look at that. Yes. Available now on the Apple Store with your Apple device. A, B, C, D. The next one is E. E is for elephant. Wow. Friends. Subscribe to learn letters, numbers, colors. And you guys, I don't really like potatoes like this unless they have like sour cream and stuff on them. But I had to try them. I had to. Wow, look at that, guys. Really good. I'm going back to the scallop because it's fire. Yes. Alright, you guys, so I got some scissors for my crab, but I'm not going to try it yet because I love crab. And so the thing is, I could have sworn I got more than 3 legs because it all came up to like $40 for 3 legs. That's ridiculous. Don't you guys think? Or is that a decent price for 3 legs? I'm not sure, but I could have sworn I got more than that, but I guess not. But yeah, so I'm going to try the corn. You guys know I love corn. I did a elote video. I'm probably gonna do another one because I'm craving them. But yeah, I'm gonna try the corn and the sauce. Like, look at all that seasoning, you guys. Like, oh my god. Yes. Wow.
I think our friend letter F really likes that idea. She's smiling again. Aha!
Yes.
You can use this icing to write the letter F on the cake. Kids, get your fingers ready.
I heard it's super hard to get this sauce, and I just got so lucky. It's so good.
Where do we start? Aha! That's right. We start at the top. Then we go over.
Hey. No.
Kids, you made letter F a special
And it looks so. That corn It's fire in the sauce. Ooh, I do taste the spiciness in the sauce though. Ooh, not that spicy, but I taste it. So now it's on to the egg.
One of the balloons has burst.
Mm.
Quickly, kids, let's help letter F to blow up another balloon
Wow.
before her friends arrive. Say as fast as you can to help letter F blow up her balloon.
Wow. This egg
You did it!
is so fire.
Oh, and just in time. Your letter friends are here, letter F.
It's the sauce though. The sauce with the egg is so good, guys. You guys have to make sure you guys put eggs in your guys' seafood boil when you guys have the Bloveslife sauce or when you guys make it. Definitely recommend it. And this is like really my first seafood boil, to be honest with you guys. Like I had like parts of seafood boil and stuff, but never like a real deal seafood boil. So. I'm really happy. And it's super good. It didn't even take that long. You did have to put things in step by step though. You can't just throw everything in at once and expect it to be fire. So this is the lobster, guys. Mmm. Yeah, I did that lobster right. Oh yeah.
Oh, it sounds like letter E is
Oh
hungry.
yeah, guys.
Kids, what should letter E eat
See that?
today?
Oh yeah.
I think letter E
Mm.
really wants to eat a mango. She is making her special sound.
It's so good.
Kids, if you want to eat a
Woo!
mango too,
It's
say
spicy.
yeah.
Woo.
Kids, can you help letter E find a tasty mango?
Yeah, this stuff is getting spicier and spicier.
Aha! Letter E wants to take a bus to the mango tree. Good idea, letter E.
Put my napkins on deck. Alright, you guys, so now it's time to taste the crab.
It's not a tortoise wants you to write the letter E on the shell. Kids,
Get it,
can
guys.
you write the letter E for tortoise?
Let's cut it straight down.
Where do we start
And then you
to
open
write?
it up. Oh wow, look at that little
That's
piece.
right. We start in the middle. Then we go up
Mmm.
and round. Letter E. Maybe our new friend Tortoise can give letter E a ride.
Not gonna lie, you guys, I'm really full right now.
Mango tree. It's
Yeah, I'm really full.
climb up and find a tasty mango.
And I have to go to work.
Letter E is so happy. Kids,
Yeah.
are you happy
So
too?
Be Love sauce is super good. Thank you, Be Love, for the recipe. It turned out amazing. Lots of flavor, lots of taste inside of all of my potatoes, my corn, my shrimp, my scallops, my lobster, and my crab legs. Everything turned out amazing. I actually really do like scallops. And then your sauce is, oh my god, I never tasted anything like it before. It's amazing. I love it. I will definitely be investing in some more of it. I wonder if I can save it for a couple of days, so when I eat some more crab, I can have this and dip it in there. But I'm not sure. I'll figure it out, you guys. But Thank you for watching my seafood boil. Thank you for getting me the 200 subscribers. I am leading to 1,000 plus, you guys. I am trying to be non-stop. So stay tuned, you guys. Thank you for watching. There's more mukbangs coming soon. Alright, you guys. It's CeneciaNyree, and I'm out this bee. Bye.